Hey, Late Start 101 classes. Mr. Dow here with a quick catch-up, see where the class is going this week. Week number 3 is just starting, and before we get into anything, let's see what the class dog Crypto is doing. Crypto, what do you got going on right now? What's happening? He's a little upset because LSU got blown out. So anyway, this week we're starting week 3. We have about 17 people still in the class who are participating. But wanted to remind everybody was this is the week that really officially starts your first paper assignment, which is which you can find on the Paper 1 prompt. And you should definitely go back and look at the group story discussions because I've responded to those. And so I've tried to straighten out ideas about the story, just make sure they're clear to you. In week number 3, which is this week now, you'll finish looking at all the literary terms that can be used for the paper. And also this week, then you will then be writing an outline for the paper. From this point forward, really every week you're going to be producing some part of paper number 1, and as soon as paper 1 comes in, you're producing some part of paper number 2, and so it's kind of writing from this point forward, planning and then writing. So that's where we are. I just wanted to let you know it's going pretty well so far here in this class. I could use more questions if you've got them, and I wanted to remind you again that if you feel lost or something's not working, you just don't get it, I'm always available for Zoom calls to talk about things face-to-face, person-to-person. I know it's not easy to get through this kind of a class in a pandemic, especially since you come to it in the second half of the semester in which you might already be taking a lot of courses. So anyway, hang in there. Do what you can do. The paperwork starts this week, and then it's going to continue through the rest of the semester. Okay. One thing I would say about that, just before I say it, paper number 1, it gets turned in. It's just a straight, no source paper about the story you read. Paper number 2 starts right as soon as that's turned in, and you're still going to deal with that same story, but you're not going to write a literary analysis. You're going to write about the social issues within that story. So it's a research paper, but you don't have to read a whole of the story or learn something else. So in other words, the same story will hold up through the rest of the semester. All right, I got it in. Okay, one more check-in with Crypto. Crypto, what's happening? Okay, no change yet. We'll get back to him next week. Okay, bye, everybody.